G'day, we're back for the last part of your Outback build. We've been running through the dirty old Hilux and doing something up on a bit of a budget. Now when I say budget, I don't mean cheap. Get good stuff. It'll last you a long time and it won't leave you broken down out in the bush. What we're running through are just some of the bare essentials that you need. I know there's some things that I've probably missed, like circlip pliers, max tracks, that you need to sleep somewhere. The scan gauge. All modern vehicles should have one. I'm not going to go through exactly what it does. Look it up, get one for your modern car. It could save you a lot of heartache. Don't need to tell you that you need to have enough fuel to get where you're going. You've got to have lots of water in the Outback too. This is not a list of everything, it's just a good base to work from. A couple of things though, you want to get Outback first aid kit. Really comprehensive one that includes snakebite bandages and then some broad spectrum antibiotics, some painkillers, among other things. Not a couple of band-aids in a Ziploc bag, all right? A good first aid kit. Above all else, everything we've gone through, your car must be mechanically tip-top. Getting your vehicle serviced at a full drive specialist and getting everything done before you go is probably number one at the top of the list. Maintain regularly. Reliability is the key. So you've got all your basics, all your basic accessories, your tyres, suspension and your bull bars and all that sort of gear, and you've got your tools, recovery gear, and you've got your radios and your EPIRBs and you've got your first aid kit. You've got your car keys, your car's in Mickey Mouse condition. Now you just need to go and get yourself a bush hat with crocodile teeth.